Alrighty, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and make an update video for my '89 GT. I've had this car for over 10 years now. One paint job in 2019, and still cleans up nice. We keep it in the garage. It's had a few different engines since I first got it. What we currently have here is a 331 Stroker, Creb engineering built. I'll put the specs in the listing description. It's got a Astro Performance T5 transmission, good for about 600 wheel. That's at least what they told me, and I've had that in there for about 3 years. But otherwise than that, we'll go ahead and check out the interior. I did do the black interior in this car as well. It's been a few years, but as you can see, stuff holds up good. Basically the same seat swap I did in the poop coupe. I've had a couple different sets of wheels on this car. I really like the Cobra R wheels. I'll splice a picture in and show you the other wheels I have for it. We'll go ahead and pop the hood here, show you the engine, and then we'll go ahead and fire it up so you can listen to it. Here's under the range. We'll go ahead and go over tuning and what computer and stuff I have on this car. So it is tuned by Scott Clark. I found him on one of the Foxbody pages. He came highly recommended, and he did a great job. This car has the Holley Terminator X, and it has the MF Customs adapter. If any of you guys are wanting to do that swap, the best thing to do, get your Holley Terminator, get that MF Customs, and then get a good tuner, and your car will run amazing. This car was untuned for several years, and it's kind of one of those things that I was kind of scared to get into. Didn't know how it would go because I have had a poor dyno experience before. But this was by remote tune. It come out great. Fires right up and runs great, and we'll go ahead and we'll let you hear it. Got that damn whistle from the throttle body, but otherwise than that, all right, let's go over a few more specs. So the exhaust on this car is 2.5 inch, and then it goes into Dynomax Race Bullet mufflers. It does have an X pipe. It's not too raspy or anything. It sounds like a true race car in my opinion. As far as everything else goes for the car, what I personally love about this car is I've kept the factory air conditioning, cruise control works. Besides the the 373 gears being kind of a, I don't know. I mean, it makes it just difficult to do 70 mile an hour and go on long trips, but you know, because you know, it's like 2,500 RPM. But otherwise than that, this is what she is. We will be doing a ride along. I'll rip through some gears and we'll see what you guys think.